What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kia, and I'm back at it again with a video, and we're doing a video on a wig from Julia Hair. So here are all the goodies that come in the box: wig cap, wig scarf, and a little pin that says Merry Christmas. And before we get into it, I just want to give you the specs. So as you can see, this is a brown wig, and on the inside it looks like it's a closure, but it's actually just a lace part wig. It is a 150% 24-inch brown lace part wig. And let me show you what I'm talking about when I say lace part. So if you look very closely, there's tracks on the part of the lace that would usually be for a closure. So the only lace that's available is the parting down the middle, which is perfectly fine. And I still finessed me a bang with this unit, even though I didn't have a lot of hair to work with. So that was perfectly good. So I did cut me a cute little bang. I haven't done bangs in so long that I wanted to do some bangs with some really big curls. So I'm just gonna, after I cut the bangs, I'm going to cut some nice layers in the hair, trying to make sure I don't cut them too short. And I almost did, if you've seen that. But I'm using my razor comb. The razor comb is the easiest tool to use if you are trying to cut layers. And again, I say this all the time, but if you are doing big body curls, it's essential that you have layers. The wig, after I cut the layers all in there, as you can see, she's nice and choppy. And I like to cut my layers while the wig is straight, because if you curl the wig and you cut it while it's curled, I feel like you will never be able to wear it straight just because of the cut of the wig. So after that, I'm just gonna put some big curls in my, I think this is a Hot Tools 1.5-inch curling iron. And it's essential if you want these curls to last that you need to pin curl them and let them set. I didn't use any product, so although this hair is colored, it's holding the curl pretty good. Once you're done with your curls, you can't forget about your bangs, sis. So these are my pin curls, and I'm just going to use my handy dandy raggedy jacked up flat iron to bump my ends on the bangs. It's time to take your pins out your hair once the curls have cooled all the way down. Make sure you do check to see if the curls are warm still before you take the clips out, because if it's warm, you need to let them sit a little bit longer. Let those curls drop, and once they all fall, I'm gonna run my fingers through them, and look at that shine, that body, and that luster. You see what pin curling your curls gives you. I feel like it gives you a completely different look than if you just let them drop. After I did that, I wanted to show you just how bouncy and lustrous this wig is. Love it. We're going to brush it out with a nice little paddle brush. And once you're done with that, girl, you are all set to go. I slapped this wig on, and since it's a lace part wig, it didn't even really require me to do much. I didn't have to glue her down because she fit my head snug. So yeah, if you did want to pick up this wig, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much, Julia here, and I'll see you in my next one.